Today is Wednesday, August 10th, 2022. It is day 13 of JS for Websites, and today I watched this Changing Styles video under the DOM Modification and Khan Academy section, and now I'm just going to do the challenge style guide. So it's saying this webpage is all about trending styles, and you'll use JS to fill the trends and style them with CSS properties. In this first step, use JS to set the inner HTML of color EL or element to your favorite color, and then use the JS to set a matching color property. Okay. So I'll first have to do color EL, change its inner HTML to my favorite color, so that would be blue. And then I would do color EL and then do inner HTML, or maybe color EL and just do style.color, set that to blue. Alright, so that works. Next step.